Hey guys, let me show you how to clean some gravel the easy way to make it nice and efficient. So you're going to need a couple things. A steel mesh cloth. This could be about 20 bucks. Make sure it's galvanized so it doesn't rust on you. And next we're going to need a pallet. And if you have a hard time finding pallets, they have them for free on Craigslist or maybe $2-3. The best setup I would recommend is something with support. See, this one has no support in the middle, so more like something that has lateral support, and then you can remove some planks as I'm going to show you. N95 mask, so you don't get those particles in your lungs and inhale a bunch of carcinogens. Some optional things I have here is cinder blocks. I have it elevated for good mechanics, so I can do a lot of this gravel without having to take as many breaks. Pitch angle, so I have about 6 inches rise from the top, and that seems to be enough to not allow the rocks to fall off and let the dirt fall through, but you can play around with that angle as you see fit. A barrel to catch all the gravel so I can transport it where I need to. And then this is what I mean about the cloth, is I removed some planks in between so I have a little bit more room to let the dirt come through. And last but not least, have some form of shovel. I think the square shovel works best. And then if you're getting this gravel very nice and clean, you could have your water ready.